In this video, I'll be teaching you the basics of After Effects. First off, what is After Effects? After Effects is an industry standard motion graphics software that helps us to make motion graphics, visual effects, and animations. After Effects can be used to make professional, YouTube, social media videos, and so much more. Starting out with After Effects can be overwhelming, but once we understand the basics of its interface, it becomes less daunting. When we first open up After Effects, we'll see that there are several different sections to look at. This is our project panel. This is where all of our videos and resources go. We can import our resources or just drag them in. Next, we can drag our content into our timeline. The timeline is where the content of our video is organized and laid out. Here we can cut and trim our footage. In the composition panel, we can see what we are editing visually. Using the tools panel, we can directly affect what appears in the composition. Importing assets into After Effects is simple, and there are two ways to do it. The first is to go up to File, select Import, then select File. After that, choose whatever file you want to add to the project panel. There are several types of assets we can add into After Effects, including but not limited to video, audio, photos, Photoshop files, and previous After Effects projects. To start making a video, click the video icon in the project panel to create a new composition. Adjust composition settings like the pixels and frame rate to your liking. Click OK, then grab your video assets from the project panel, then drag them into the composition's timeline. Here they will be layered. Now what you can do is organize your layers by placing them on top of each other, trimming them to how you like, and renaming them. Now if we click these two arrows, we can see several different controls. In this area, we can adjust the transform controls for all of our layers, such as the position, scale, rotation, and opacity. One of the best functions of After Effects is its ability to create animations. In the timeline, move your slider to where you want to begin your animation. Then go to the transform controls. Choose one of the transformations that you would like to animate. Let's use position for this example. Click on the stopwatch next to position. That will place a keyframe on the timeline. Then, drag the slider to where you want the animation to end. Then change the position settings. After Effects will automatically place another keyframe at the end of your animation. Play it back, and your object moves. Select the keyframes that you don't want, and click delete to get rid of them. To add effects, go to the effects panel. Look for the effects you want to add, then drag them to the video in the composition. From there, you can control the effects and animate them using the effects panel. And those are the basics of After Effects. If you would like to continue to learn and master your abilities in video editing, please subscribe and comment any questions that you may have in the comment section below. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.